Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. In this video we are going to discuss the most important general science questions which is related to biology. These questions are really useful for your various competitive examinations. Click the I button to watch my previous videos part 1 to part 5. Let's start the today's session. What is the name of voice box of the human? Larynx, syrinx, thorax or adam? And the answer is larynx. The ability of eye to see in the dark is due to presence of iris, cornea, pupil, rhodopsin. And the answer is rhodopsin. Here will be a question of the day session. Which animal has an eye bigger than its brain? Give your answers in comment section. Please do not search it in Google. Try to answer the question. The answer will be discussed at the end of the session. Do not skip the video. Watch till the end. More interesting questions are waiting for you. The next question is, what is the name of voice box of the bird? Larynx, syrinx, thorax or adam? And the answer for the question is syrinx. The next question. Pleura is the covering of heart, liver, lungs or cell? And the answer is lungs. The color of eye depends upon the pigment present in the human. Iris, cornea, pupil or rhodopsin? Iris. Which organ is caused as digestive bag in the cell? Chromosome, lymphoma, lysosomes or mitochondria? The answer is lysosomes. Which tissue in human where no cell division occur after birth? Heart, liver, lungs, neuron or nerve tissue? And the answer is nerve tissue or neuron tissue. The next question. What is the nature of poison of honeybee? Amino acid, citric acid, nitrous oxide, formic acid? And the answer is formic acid. Name the largest gland in the human body. Liver, spleen, kidney or lungs? Liver. Enzymes are basically made up of protein, fiber, vitamin or minerals? The answer is protein. What is the dental formula for man? 2124, 2145, 2123, 2123, 1552, 5258 or 2121 or 2113? And the answer for the question is 2123 by 2123. The next question. What is the basic unit of life? Heart, liver, lungs or cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. The next question. Name the type of plant which grow in light. Photosynthesis, chlorophyll, heliophyte or chloroplast? The answer is heliophyte. Name the scientist who gave the double standard structure of DNA. J.J. Thomson, Henry, William Johnson, Watson and Crick? And the answer is Watson and Crick. Two standards of DNA are held together by hydrogen bonds, nucleic acid, atom or molecules? And the answer for the question is hydrogen bonds. Name the element which is found abundantly in the living system. Cells, blood, oxygen or water? Oxygen. The color of milk is slightly yellow due to presence of glucose, fructose, caroline or carotene? The answer for the question is carotene. Name the hardest part of human body is femur, thigh bone, bone marrow or tooth enamel? Tooth enamel. The next question. study of teeth is called as odontology. What is the pH value of pure water? 6, 6.5, 7 or 7.5? 7. Who is known as father of medicine? Morgan, Anderson, Hippocrates, Pasteur. The answer for the question is Hippocrates. Name the largest vein in human body. Cephalic vein, basilic vein, inferior vena cava or superior vena cava. And the answer for the question is inferior vena cava. In the human body, which organ has the maximum power of regeneration? Liver, spleen, kidney or lungs? Liver. Name the smallest endocrine gland in the human body. Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal or parathyroid. And the answer for the question is pituitary gland. Endocrine gland is also called as ductless gland. And the next question is, what is the number of chromosome in human cell? 45, 46, 47 or 48? The answer is 23 pairs, that is 46 chromosomes. And the next question is, which is the largest part of brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata or pancreas? And the answer is cerebrum. The next question, what is the average length of small intestine? 6 meter, 7 meter, 8 meter or 9 meter? Small intestine will be 7 meters. Which test helps in diagnosis of cancer? Hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis, potential dialysis or biopsy? And the answer for this question is biopsy. Name the largest white blood corpuscles. Leukocytes, monocytes, thrombosis, thrombocyte. And the answer for the question is monocytes. The next question, our bones and teeth are generally made up of which element? Sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, tricalcium phosphate or sulfur dioxide? And the answer for the question is tricalcium phosphate. Next question, transport of oxygen in human body is lungs, kidney, blood or spleen? And the answer is blood. Which is the average length of large intestine? 1 meter, 1.5, 1.75 meter, 2 meter? And the answer is 1.5 meters. And small intestine will be 7 meters. The next question is, failure of which gland results in diabetics in human body? Thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal or parathyroid? The answer is pancreas. The next question, how many basic tastes can human sense? 3, 4, 5 or 7? 5. Which gland is associated with disease goiter? Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal or parathyroid? And the answer is goiter. Which organ filters blood in human body? Liver, spleen, kidney or lungs? Spleen. Which is the suicidal bag of cell? Lymphoma, mitochondria, lysosomes or gallbladder? Lysosomes. The next question, blood cancer is also called as carcinoma, lymphoma, melanoma or leukemia? The answer is leukemia. The next question, medulla oblongata is the part of human heart, liver, gallbladder or brain? The answer is brain. The next question, What is the average heartbeat of the human body? 62 per minute, 72 per minute, 79 per minute, or 75 per minute? 72 per minute. The next question. Where is pituitary gland is located? Heart, liver, gallbladder, or intestine? The answer is brain. The next question. Heart is made up of which muscles? Skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, muscle fibers. And the answer is cardiac muscle. What is the base unit of nervous system? Neuron, cell division, mitochondria, or nerves? And the answer is neuron. Next question. Which part of brain controls emotional reactions in our human body? Pituitary gland, hypothalamus gland, cerebrum, or medulla oblongata? The answer is hypothalamus. Which tissue in human where no cell division occur after birth is? Kidney, liver, nerves, or lungs? Nerves. Which acid is secreted in stomach? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, or amino acids? Hydrochloric acid. The next question. Which blood corpuscles are popularly called as soldiers of the body? RBC, WBC, platelets, or leukocyte? The answer is WBC. That is white blood corpuscles. Which organ of body never rests? Heart, liver, kidney, or gallbladder? The answer is heart. The next question. In human body, which gland produces hormones? Pituitary gland, pancreas, thyroid gland, or endocrine gland? And the answer for the question is endocrine gland. Which gland produces tears in human? Pituitary gland, pancreas, thyroid gland, or lacrimal gland? And the answer is lacrimal gland. Here will be your top 10 questions revision. Give your answers in comment section. What is the name of voice box of the human? And next question, the ability of an eye to see in the dark is due to presence of. What is the name of voice box of the bird? Pleura is the covering of. And the next is, the color of eye depends upon the pigment present in human. And the next is, which organ is caused as digestive bag in the cell? Which tissue in human where no cell division occur after birth? What is the nature of poison of honey bee? And next is, name the largest gland in the human body. And next, enzymes are basically made up of. Give your answers in comment section. Here will be a question of the day section, and the answer is ostrich. Animal has an eye bigger than its brain, and the answer is ostrich. The next. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and subscribe to my channel Study Until You Get, and press the bell button to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.